Tramontina is a Brazilian company that is synonymous with quality, design, and innovation. It has more than 100 years of history dedicated to product quality and consumers' satisfaction. There are currently 9 factories spread across Brazil. Tramontina Delta is located in Pernambuco since 1998, and in 2022, it opened its porcelain unit in the municipality of Moreno. Tramontina Delta Porcelain brings the latest features available today with a lot of automation and ultimate equipment for manufacturing plates, cups, saucers, serving dishes, bowls, and salad bowls, all in porcelain. Items manufactured in 100% national porcelain, translucent and mechanical strength with nearly zero porosity, thus preventing the proliferation of fungi and bacteria. Our porcelain line was created to meet 2 segments, home and hospitality, each one focused on different needs and desires. The home line is designed to set the table both in everyday life and in special moments. White and decorated items with beauty quality aimed at the home. The hospitality line brings a complete solution for your business with design and quality having its strength as the major differential. It has plates with reinforced rim, ensuring more safety and preventing breakages due to misuse or during the washing. All Tramontina production is made with processes focused on sustainability and care for the environment. The porcelain factory has a rainwater harvesting system, channeling underground pipes to the appropriate reservoirs. In addition, local vegetation is frequently replanted as a way of preserving the environment. Tramontina Delta Porcelain arrived bringing quality and variety to enrich several moments. Tramontina.